It's giveaway time! I am so excited to do this giveaway. Everybody already signed up at Basic Filmmaker University, got automatically entered, and will continue to do so in future giveaways. For anyone recently signed up, they had until 21 Jan, 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I think new folks were surprised that I didn't spam them. I told you I wouldn't do that. I'll be giving away 20 products, nearly $5,000 in cool gear, and if you didn't watch the giveaway video, shame on you. I've linked it in the video description below in case you have questions. Now, I've entered plenty of giveaways like the lottery, and when I don't win, it's like kind of bums me out. So let's do something different and be happy for the winners. Besides, you'll be automatically entered in all future giveaways, which is why I ran it through the university. The good news is we only have 2,500 entrants, and that means you have a great chance to win. And stay tuned as I'm adding an extra surprise winner at the end. I have to thank the companies who jumped at the chance to give you this excellent gear for nothing in return. And I'd also like to thank my friend over at the Worth It or Not YouTube channel for advices on doing a giveaway and supplying me with this cool picker, which I'll also link in the video description. Lastly, and you should pay attention to this, if you were chosen a winner, I'll email and you have 48 hours to respond with your info. If you don't respond, I'm sorry. I'll do another video and pick new names. Okay, let's go. First, we'll pull 3 lucky winners for the Accusonus audio plugins, which are very handy for cleaning up crappy audio. The first winner gets their choice. Any single audio plugin they offer, valued at $99. We click and Glenn Bevan, that's cool, man. You won your choice of any Accusonus audio plugin. Congratulations. Next is the ERA4 standard bundle with a retail price of $354. That's the entire suite of Accusonus audio plugins. Let's remove him. We click and this is so exciting for me. Rifkey Cyborg. Rifkey Cyborg, you won the ERA4 bundle valued at $300-something. That's awesome. Now finally, we're gonna pick the lucky winner of the ERA4 Bundle Pro valued at $952. Let's remove Rifkey Cyborg and spin the wheel and see who's gonna win this ERA4 Bundle Pro. Peter Silberg, you won the ERA Bundle Pro. Bam! Congrats to all the Accusonus winners. And don't forget to show Accusonus some love for being generous. Next, move on to one of my favorite lighting companies on the planet, Aputure. If you don't know who Aputure lighting products are, you don't know what you're missing out on. There's a reason why I have nearly $5 grand of their lights and kits. They've been kind enough to throw in 3 of their ALM9s, powerful small lights I use all the time for backgrounds, B-roll, and camera top video interviews. First M9 goes to Brent Knight. You got an M9 coming at ya. Let's remove him from the list. Let's see who gets the second M9. Clicking. Isn't this cool? This is cool. I love this thing. Second M9 is Kurt Francis, you got an M9 coming at you, bud. That's cool. Let's pick our last M9. We'll remove Kurt from the list. Last M9 from Aputure coming up right now. Let's see who gets that sucker. It is Louis D. Bianco. You got an M9 coming at you, buddy. Congrats to all the Aputure AL M9 winners, and thank you, Aputure, for your generosity. This is way too much fun. Let's move on to one of my 2 favorite microphone companies of all time. The first is Deity microphones. These guys make some serious high quality products like the Killer HDTX. I just recently reviewed on this channel. When I contacted Deity about the giveaway, Andrew, the audio genius and head of the company, didn't blink. Did you get that pun? He threw in an entire Deity VMic D3 Pro location kit, which has won some pretty serious awards. Let's click on this and see who the winner of that kit is. Deity VMic D3 Pro coming up to George for letters Indies person, I don't know how to pronounce your name. You won a Deity VMic Pro location kit from Deity. Thanks so much to Andrew and everyone at Deity Microphones for your support. Let's move on to my next top favorite 5 companies, iFootage. I contacted them and they went over the top for this giveaway. They're offering not 1, not 2, but 3 of their awesome tripods. But wait, there's more. Each of these tripods also include their awesome K5 Komodo video heads, nearly $900 in great stuff. Let's see who's gonna win the first tripod and the first video head. Click, spin. Benedict Mahagurgara. I don't know how to pronounce your name. You win, dude. You get the first of a tripod and video head from iFootage. That's freaking awesome and congratulations. Let's go remove him from the list. Let's pick the second winner. I love this thing, can you tell? I really love this thing. Kamal S. Cool. You are the second winner of a video head and tripod from iFootage. Let's remove this dude from the list and click this cool little clicky thing that I really love. Okay, third tripod and video head from iFootage goes to Sarah Hensler. Well done, congratulations. You just won an iFootage tripod and video head. Thanks to iFootage for being so generous to my subscribers. Oh, we aren't even close to being done. Now I come to my second favorite microphone company of all time, Rode Microphones. I've owned and used Rode mics for as long as I can remember. Hey, no old man memory jokes. Wait, what was I talking about? Rode did not disappoint by supplying nearly $700 in great stuff. The Rode Wireless Go, the Rode Video Mic Pro Plus, and the all-new Rode Video Mic NTG, which I recently reviewed and I am seriously impressed with. Let's see who's gonna win the Rode Go to start. Let's remove Sarah. We're going for the Rode Go. And it is Keith Johnson. Dude, you got a Rode Go coming at you. That's cool. The next one we're gonna get is the Rode Video Mic Pro Plus. Let's find out who's gonna win that sucker. That's a nice mic, by the way. I've used that thing a lot and it's cool. Winner is Dominique Callender. Well done, man. You win a Rode Video Mic Pro Plus. Congratulations. Now, let's pick the final winner of the new Rode Video Mic NTG. Let's spin them. Oh, I love this spinny thing. If you're wondering why I'm looking down here, I got this computer doing this. NTG. Addie Mattis, you win a Rode Video Mic NTG, you lucky sucker. That's awesome. Yeah, that's 5 companies I chose for the giveaway, and I would like to thank them all, Accusonus, Aputure, Deity, iFootage, and Rode for their extreme generosity. No, we are very, very far from done. Next, I mentioned courses over at Basic Filmmaker University. I'm giving away 4 of them right now. Here comes winner 1. Free course, anyone you want, is Colin Lask. You get a free Basic Filmmaker University course, anyone you want, you just pick it, you got it. Let's pick another one to remove Colin. Next winner for a free course is Andreas Christensen. You get any free course you want. You just go over there, you check it out, you look at the course and you say, I want that really expensive one. You got it. Let's pick the third winner. Remove Andreas, spin again. You know, I was originally testing this. I spent like an hour spinning this thing around. Isn't that just like freaking goofy? Next winner is Tamer Ahmed Hussein. Dude, you're getting a free Basic Filmmaker University course. Cool. Let's pick the last winner for the free Basic Filmmaker University course. I'm giving away 4 of these suckers. Spinning. Fourth course coming up, coming up, coming up. It is Darkstar. Darkstar, you win a free course. And I bet you Mr. and Mrs. Darkstar are gonna be really happy with you. Congratulations on all of you. Now, we move on to something that, quite frankly, blew me away. Let me remove Darkstar. If you create videos or have anything to do with audio and you don't know who Curtis Judd is, well, I'm really sorry. Curtis runs the YouTube video channel, the Curtis Judd audio channel, where he takes time to answer all audio related questions and runs his online Learn, Light, and Sound School. Did I mention he also has a course over at Basic Filmmaker University? Well, Curtis has graciously thrown in 3 of his courses for this giveaway, your choice. Let's see who wins. Winner 1, free course over at Learn, Light, and Sound School is gonna be Oliver Wagner, man. You get a free course from the famous from Curtis Judd. Let's pick another person. Remove you. Here comes a second course. We're spinning, we're spinning. God, I love this thing. Course winner? Gary Groves. Dude, you get a course over from Mr. Curtis Judd over at his university. This is actually kind of funny. We'll get to that in a minute. Let's pick the next name. We removed Gary Groves, and let's see who gets the third one. I love this spinny thing. Third winner? Field Media. Whoever you are, you get a free course from Mr. Judd. Well done. Congratulations to all the winner, and Curtis, thank you for not only helping us all clean up our audio, but for joining in on the giveaway. Let's remove Field Media. Now, that's 20 winners. Before we go, I'm choosing one more surprise winner, which is really hilarious. This person was one of the very first people to subscribe to my channel almost 7 years ago. He was also one of the first people to sign up for my free courses over at the university when I created. He was the first person to purchase one of my paid courses offered there. He was one of the first people to become a member of the university's private Facebook page when it was created. He has supported everything I do with nothing but kindness, has never asked for anything in return, and he has no idea I'm doing this, which is really funny because this is to my friend Gary Groves, which was picked for a university course. I give you, sir, for your support, any course that has or will be ever released at the university for free for the rest of your life. Thank you. Thanks for joining me. Congrats to all the winners. We'll see you in the next video.